Hey guys, KS the Game Boss Plays here, and today I just got this new MacBook Air 2020 M1 chip. So this one chip MacBook, so it'll probably be pretty good. So guys, anyway, so let's get started. Now today I'll be unboxing it. It's already come in this plastic box here. So now all I have to do is pull this out. See guys, so this is the box here. It says MacBook Air right here. MacBook Air, Apple logo, MacBook Air again, Apple logo, and then here's the like kind of side view of the MacBook on the front. And the back is all the like technical information, like all the like technical stuff, you know. But yeah. So anyways, guys, let's get started. This is down here, and yeah, and then I'll be using this knife to cut open the plastic. Ah, finally. Okay. So there. Now I got the plastic open. Clean the box out. And now I just have to kind of pry this apart, I guess. Ah, guys, so there it is. There's the MacBook from the front view. And here's like the tab that I'm gonna pull on. So there, guys, I got the tab, so I'm gonna remove this now. Plastic. Anyways, got the actual MacBook, M1 MacBook Air 2020. I'm gonna put that over here. And designed by Apple in California. Just like MacBook Air instruction manual or pamphlet or whatever. And yeah. Oh, and this is also more warrant. Oh, and like Apple stickers, can't forget them. And only other things in here, like the warranty stuff and things like that. So I'm just gonna leave that because you know it's kind of boring. But anyways, guys, so here's the Mac charging cord. You know, the Mac USB charging cord, and here is the power brick. Anyways, guys, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button if you want to see more. And bye. Thanks for watching.